Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video I'm taking you along on a weekend trip. My destination was a few hours away from home, and even though the weather looked really good at times, I kept driving further and further into rain, clouds and even snow. I did spend the weekend there with my family, but every now and then I was able to capture some footage of the birds around me. And I arrived a little earlier there than the rest of my family, so I took the chance to head down to the lake on my own and captured my first shots as the snowfall was beginning. Enjoy! The next day, my family and I spent most of the day walking all the way around the entire lake. It was a 14-kilometer hike that ran directly along the water. And although the temperatures here in Germany have already become warmer, parts of the lake were still frozen. There were not that many birds on the water itself. However, along the shoreline there were groups of cormorants, Canada geese, and sometimes even mergansers. Halfway through our hike, we came to a swamp area. My dad and I actually risked sinking into the mud, but I wanted to get down to the water. There weren't any particularly extraordinary birds there, but somehow that moment felt magical to me. Like I had a deep connection with nature. It was quiet, it was peaceful, and yet at the same time it was exciting. And with that, the weekend was already over. On my way home, I stopped twice. The first time I thought I saw pheasants in an open field, but they just turned out to be Egyptian geese. The second time, a buzzard was sitting right next to the road. However, before I could get a clear view, it flew away. At the end of the field though, I noticed lots of small birds. Well camouflaged, I found yellow hammers. On my way home, I had actually planned to make a stop at a wildlife park. However, it started raining so heavily that I knew if I stepped out of the car even just for a few minutes, I would be completely soaked. So I drove straight home instead. And when I got home, I immediately started uploading all my files and got straight to editing. I hope you really enjoyed this little weekend getaway. Have a great day and see you next time.